Hi, I'm Peter Jones, Chartered Surveyor, author and property investor. And I had to buy this today. It's a copy of the Daily Express, and it's Wednesday the 15th of February, and you'll see the headline there, house prices up by £15,000. Investing in property is the best way to save, say experts. Very interesting. The Daily Express often run headlines like this. Probably once every 2 or 3 months they'll come out with something which is in favour of the property market. In this case, it doesn't really tell us anything we don't know. It just says basically buying property is probably a better idea than leaving your money in the bank. But I suppose what the great thing is from our point of view as property investors is that when this kind of stuff comes out, we know that probably property values are going to keep on rising for the time being anyway. So is now a good time to buy? Well, now is always the best time to buy. And if you're worried thinking, well, you know, things have got so heady in London recently, surely there's a house price crash coming. Probably not. And when the Daily Express are printing this kind of stuff, Mr. and Mrs. Joe Average are going to think, you know what, I probably should get the money into the bank and go and buy property, which is just going to keep fueling house price growth. Interestingly, they drag out some experts in this who tell us some fairly basic stuff, but it's true nonetheless that the returns are better in property, that property is great for capital growth and great for income. And of course, if we're going to be buying as professional property investors, we need to be thinking about income primarily before we think about the house price growth. Daily Express, of course, are obviously talking about it the other way around. They're concentrating on the house price growth. If we can do the fundamentals properly, buy for income, then the rest should follow. So just thought a very interesting article, and yes, now is the time to be buying.